Okay, I just want to cover very briefly what we've updated during the school holidays. So you can see here, we're in the administration area and we're looking at the reporting section. Now we've itemised the reports so that you can find them a little bit more quickly and a little bit more easily. So we have general reports, at-risk reports. When we move up to year 10, we then have our future plans for school or work and our work experience reports. Another feature are the graphs. We have added 20 graphs and that's making it a total of 30 across the system. So you can get that summary data at the click of a button and make sure everything's tracking well. Where it's not tracking well, you can go back to your reports that give you the data on each individual student. So here we can see that our graph is showing us we've got 2 at-risk students. It gives you that prompt to go and look at the report and target the actual students who came up with the response that they will not stay at school to complete VCE or VCAL. One more update in the reporting area is in the student career or interest search. So if we type in here, we're looking for year 10s who have a career aspiration in sport. I'll click search and you can see now we have these action buttons up the top. So we can find all of the young people who are interested in sport, send them a note and let them know that there's a work experience opportunity or whatever it may be that's coming up. And another update is in the resources area. This is where we've given you instruction sheets, admin guide, example lesson plans and a bunch of documents that help you implement the program throughout your school. You can now upload your own documents in here. So we provide all of your resources in Word format. You can then download them, change them to suit your school and upload them. Simply click the upload button and it will look a bit different in each browser that you're using or each computer that you're using. And you just need to select the document that you would like to upload and select choose. Give your document a title, hit OK. Now we're done. Now the last thing that we've updated here, I'm just going to go to list of students. The notes section in any of the areas that we have, so whether you're sending a note to all students or a note to a group of students, an individual student, or making case notes, you can now add your note with a rich text editor, which is basically some of the functions that you can use in Word. If you would like to send a number of useful links to your students, you can do so by adding the insert or edit link, and you can see here we've got our URL there. So I'll select OK and save. And now the student can link to their job at IGA. Great. The other updates that we have made are within the student's profile. So you can see here they now have 5 options in their top menu and there is a useful links area. This is where they can find the resources they need to complete their career action plan, and we are adding to these resources every week. If we go into my goals area for the students, we have just made some minor changes in here. So we used to ask students what could stop them from achieving their goals. From the feedback we received, we needed to make this a strengths-based question. Now we ask, what action could I take to achieve my goals? The other change that we have made is adding a question, and young people select the VCE subjects they would like to do if they're in year 10. We now ask them, how do their subject preferences relate to their career goals? So there's that synergy between the two. And the other update I have to share with you is the update to our general website, which is mipsonline.com.au. We've updated this website and we now have our frequently asked questions, we have online training videos, we have demonstrations. So all of the resources that you need to implement your program are also found within this website, not just your administration area. So feel free to refer to that also. So I thank you for your time, and we will keep you updated of the changes that we are continuing to make during term 1 of 2016.